Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Hannah.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Benny. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. Have you ever heard of BB's Food Truck by chance?
I actually haven't, but what type of food is it?
Yeah, so BB's Food Truck is owned and run by myself. It's a Filipino-based cuisine food truck that offers a different style of food that is currently in the area of Nebraska City.
Awesome. When are you guys looking to open? Or are you open yet?
We're actually not. Our grand opening is actually December 16th from 12 to 3. I would actually love if you could come earlier in that day. You can try our food before everyone else and review your thoughts and opinions in the local paper that you own, if that works for you.
Yeah, it does. That sounds amazing.
Why do you believe that there's only one other food truck establishment in the area in the rest of the city?
I really don't know, but I think it might because the food in the area is cheap, but it's easy to obtain on the main street in Nebraska City.
Okay, would it help if there was another food truck that was cheap, healthy, and located on Central Avenue in Nebraska City?
Absolutely. Central is the other main street in Nebraska City where I live.
All right. Well, Hannah, I'm happy to inform you that my food truck will be located in between City Hall and Arbor Bank on Central Avenue. Do you know where that is?
Yeah, I do.
Is that a good spot by chance?
Yeah, I think it sounds like you're gonna get a lot of people there at your food truck.
Yeah, so what food do you think is lacking in the area?
Well, I think that a variety of ethnic food besides Chinese and Hispanic food is lacking.
Will the addition of my Filipino cuisine in the area resolve this issue by chance?
Yeah, but how is this different? Not many people, including myself, know what Filipino food is.
Yeah, Filipino food is one of the very first instances of cultures from all over blending together. For instance, like fusion of Chinese, European, and other places to create something pretty unique. Does this give more insight on how this food would bring variety in the area?
Yeah, it does.
Do you have any other questions by chance?
Yeah, so how is Filipino food considered healthy?
Real quick, what is your definition of healthy?
I would say a portion of food that tastes good but is under 500 calories.
Yeah, actually, let's take our main dish, chicken adobo, for example. We serve about 8 to 10 ounces of stewed marinated chicken over a cup of steamed rice. This dish offers around 480 calories with around 45 grams of lean white meat protein. That importantly, tastes really good.
Hmm.
Filipinos are actually known for creating dishes that are made from scraps because they were poor for the longest time. Because they made this, they could get away with using simple ingredients that are not calorically dense. Does this give a little more insight and information to you?
Yeah, it does, and it sounds delicious.